minyanka na pemetondum Shatta Wale just o piesa na mbrante we your friend youth president ewo Ghana Shatta Wale no de ensam abetu Ghana na futuo no misrafa o comment bra na yenkan ma ne ehu Shatta futuo we say ya na se enye Shatta no watwe camera ya be sin so akasa akire mabu ewo Ghana say mo say sabi say je wisie yo mo bom ye wi no mo no na se na mo ani je a srem omunye no no kura mre bi e bi ka se wo no ye hwan ye Sakawa no ye yi ai o gitu mo ye Sakawa o di penny sika enti o shembebu ne mrantie enkran se bibia wo ye onim se wi no e de otumi she 3 row na se na ma wani je a mesro she amane nka wakoma she mo wani nje na emo omuyo madwe so omu de omo ne tu eye Ghana politician for Ghana politicians bibia ni omu wode ma eye Ghana mrantie ne yi mbaba wa ne bibia ni wonti eye mmebu no hwam so ye na ma fa omu vote anaso memfa omu adwen ani omu nyansa ani omu nipadie nyina nkoto politician bi se oba bebo omu anaso be bibia mo anaso be bia adwuma bia mo no manya bia ye na emo bibia omu ye wasase so a omu se no na de enije eba omu abrabom no omunye ma eno enije ni wie peye yentie Shatta emra.
Tonight I can't tell you people something I don't tell you people before. You understand what I'm saying? Because sometimes people they like waste time. You understand me? Anytime I won't come live, where I turn my chain to symbol of hope, they're gonna say we deadly. You understand me? This country where we did, even like because of hunger and guy, me I don't force you make you go vote for politician. Me I don't force you because if you get hope for we don't put one mind for politician. That be one thing. That be one thing. Me I don't put my mind for politician. Politics like what, Charlie? So you see, if you did there, where if you say get problem, so you know if you solve your problem. So your only problem is say to talk about Shatta Wale, to say the things where you feel say Shatta Wale good. Master, I do things past. So if you don't go sit down and think about yourself. And the way if you put your hope for politicians, okay, if you got this government, yeah, we will get Ghana where Akufo-Addo can win power for Ghana here. The people celebrating. The way that the people celebrate. Today, you the same people. If you talk say Akufo-Addo no good, Akufo-Addo no. Mama, the same thing. Mama chop on everything. Mama is the best president. Mama, oh wow, he's a gentle guy. Oh yeah, feel town thing. Jimmy, they get some of you. Because your life or you put for somebody hand inside. If you say mama, you don't get problems. If it's a couple, you don't get problems. You go for TV sooner, miseducating, they are misinforming you. I see some every day when I wake up, I see Shatta Wale is this, Shatta Wale is that. Reason I got picture company, Shatta Wale holding weed in his. Cause me chamber, me Jimmy, cause for me a boa, me mboa. You go for church was I me Jimmy for. Me crassy for. Village nonsense, bombastic people. Me Jimmy. Say I'm be money, I'm money be na. Be. Why you people say what? Like as we did, we don't know when I left and right or something. You people talk, I'm to make money. Still people they talk. Sometimes the people will repeating me, probably the people with it already. Very poor. If I mean poor, THIER, poor. Very poor people, poor. If you want to spell them for Swahili inside, if you akal abar, poor, very poor people, very poor. If you them where they want advice, we boys where we the all super streets. Just here, may I tell you something? This world inside, the road to success, no be one way. Just every Sakawa boy, be proud. Some boys say it be blood money, but I know it blood money. Make them go to blood. If it blood money, they go to one man. Boys they crack them a brain, they take computer to protect. The same way the guy for suits, if you meet somebody and lie to him, like the way you put a brief politician, when politicians they fit go take money with suit and tie. It be the same way Sakawa boy they sit computer back, where they talk to clients. Sakawa boy go be president for this country. Fuck everybody. What are you talking about? Nobody can show we how to make money. Oh. Boys make wild way we they make money anyhow, any way. But we know they kill man. We know they go drink blood. Don't be stupid. Shout out to every Shatta movement fan. Wait, if whatever they talk, you put it follow. He go help you. Not boys I get. Always I talk say, I am the biggest opportunity for everybody where they follow me for this country. Because this country, long no day, nothing they work for here. Sometimes they use some way and tatashi and things, old man tatis and things, they take seat one at top. And you boys, young boys and girls, what you like be dancing and singing. How they watch a woman right now for social media. He say his mother lied to him. Because his mother they tell him who we smokers be. We smokers. His mother lied to him. Say we smokers, when they smoke with you, can't cut your head, you can't do this, so they could beat you. We smokers. He said so he did Pentecost. Pentecost man, he has to grow in church. If he see you where he say the smoke, hey, then run away. He say, as he chop, like chop 65 or something, where he realize he go get wee boyfriend. He say no see something before. The boy they massage him, he treat him nice, he keep him nice, and they're chopping. And he chop him, very nice. Gentle guy. People there that they confuse you. There they tell you say we if you smoke weed, you go crazy. Wait, if you this thing, so that if you so not they can't lie to you plus Jesus Christ and religion. They can't lie to you. That shall not steal. But you just there, you put the feet up, and the government is the way the government and they are richer than the people. But what are you doing about it? When someone like Shatta, Wale, they make my money, you did there, then you won't come. Maybe you come like that. Maybe you come like that. Say, I'm a man will roll like this. Because we Jimmy. If I tell you money where they make from my streams, you go bore. That system, government don't create them. If you government to create them, if you government to create opportunities, I say opportunities, I never know. So that if I vest, so that they talk to. If you government will create iTunes, if you government will bring YouTube, what are you talking about? We find way. Me they said they no go play my song for radio and things. I find way register my things for Facebook. It be Facebook. So if I for pay somebody, Mazuka back. Make nobody can tell me. If you are there here, all these things what they talk, if I work for we. But you get there, you stress yourself. You watch the law to know the work. And if Shatta Wale can do something, and Shatta, we don't like, I don't like him. He's like, mommy, papa, family, family, Jimmy, family, Jimmy, you put your life for somebody in hand. The advice where some of you, your parents don't give you for us. That's what they give you. They lie to you. But you know the things they lie to you about. We will discover. We will discover. We will discover. That's why sometimes they will see some people they go to university. They say, may they finish this university and get whatever they want. Ask a whole lot of university people for this country say, as they finish university, they must get what they want. And most of them travel. Most of them leave the country. Because they don't know how to do one. They don't know how to do one. The only thing you think about be.